Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you this simple yet beautiful updo that's perfect for the wedding season or any special occasion. All right, let's get started. For hair prep, I'm curling all of my hair away from my face with a 1-inch barrel. I love the movement and volume this adds, but it's completely optional. For a more formal appearance, I would recommend teasing your hair all throughout your crown and the back of your head with gentle down motions to prevent tangling, and always tease more than you think. You want your crown to be nice and voluminous. Now for the hero of this hairstyle, texture spray. Spray it all throughout, don't be shy, and I love this one from Moroccan Oil. It's very light, it doesn't leave your hair feeling dry, and it just gives the perfect amount of texture and volume for that effortless look. Prep complete, time to section. First, section off all the hair around your face, about 1 inch back from your hairline on both sides, and just leave all the remaining hair behind your shoulders. Next, loosely gather all that remaining hair in the back and section off just below the top of your ears. Now, this lower section will be divided into 3. First, section off the right side and place it out of the way, and then section off the left side, and you want to leave out a small section in the middle because you want to join this into your upper section. Once joined in, gently smooth back the hair at your crown with your fingers, and then using a thick hair elastic, begin securing your hair. And on your last loop, only pull your hair partially through to create a very small bun like this. Next, tightly pinch your elastic with one hand, and with your other, pinch and pull the hair around your crown. Take your time and pinch very small pieces, working from one side of your head to the other. And you can really see how adding the curls creates so much movement. Once you're happy with the shape, repeat on your bun. Vary the sizes that you pull and try to keep the sides shorter than the middle to keep that nice curved shape. Now to build the updo, grab those lower sections from earlier and you want to tie them together above your bun. So bring the left over the right and then bring your ends up and pull them through nice and tight. This is the same as the first step of tying your shoe. Next, place a pin through your knot just as a placeholder for now. Okay, take your ends from the knot and join them into the ends from your bun. Now divide them into 2. Now same as before, we want to tie them together over our bun. So bring them up, cross your left over your right, bring your ends up and pull them through nice and tight so that this knot sits just below your previous one. All right, place a pin through your knot as a placeholder for now. If your ends are still hanging out like mine, it can look too heavy, so just separate a few of your ends and then tuck the rest underneath your bun, securing them out of the way, and repeat on the left side if needed. Now for the front sections, bring your right section towards the back, pulling out any shorter layers to frame your face, and then gently pull on the bottom to create a swoop over your ear. And then bring it across the back of your head, placing it behind your top knot. And then repeat on the left side and use that placeholder pin from earlier to secure your top knot over those sections. Now everything is in place. You just want to add some bobby pins throughout your knots and keep your pins closed and wiggle them back and forth as you slide them in, and they should feel nice and secure. Now pinch and pull on your knots to add even more texture, and to help accentuate them, just pull on the tops and lock them into place with some hairspray. Okay, this is very extra, but I finished off the look with some hair perfume. Why not? So there we have it. I really hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will link some similar updo tutorials in the description below if you're looking for some more hair inspo. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.